So, the government has made an attempt to bring artificial intelligence under the existing regulations which exist for digital media. Do you think this is going to help regulate AI in this country?
So as of now, AI is an unruly horse. We don't know how it will evolve in the days to come. In fact, the way it has evolved so far itself has shown that it is almost impossible to control AI. AI ultimately will have to be brought in as a self-discipline for everybody, and one has to realize the extent to which AI can be used in any system, rather than depending on AI blindly. Today, when I have to hire somebody and when I ask some juniors to make a brief, some of the juniors are making the brief by using the AI platform, and it's very difficult to find out which ones are genuinely made and which ones are made with the help of AI. But some features which are quite evident even today is that the judgments cited by the persons who used AI were not on point, or some of them were not even there. So that's the harm of using AI as of today is concerned. In my view, AI is something which definitely needs to be regulated. Definitely the impact of AI needs to be curbed. And there are, of course, a lot of positives to AI also. So for instance, if you use a platform like ChatGPT, whatever you upload the ChatGPT goes outside our country, and it can be accessed from wherever the headquarters of ChatGPT are if they want to. I mean, there is no bar for them to access, and there is no way by which you can ensure that your whatever you have uploaded is not available to somebody who wants to access it, especially within the organization. So I think as a country, we should look at more and more AI platforms which are within the country, where data doesn't go out. And a lot of new people are coming in who are having their centers, the resource centers within the country, within the four corners of the boundaries of this country, so that they can be very easily regulated, and their places can be also inspected, and it can be seen that what are the systems that they have created, whether there could be a leakage of data or whether the data could be accessed unauthorizedly by anybody or not. I think AI also will have to look at ensuring that we are using more and more such platforms where data remains within the country rather than on a platform in which data goes outside the country. And of course, I've said earlier also, AI is something which should be kept away from children, because it will definitely impact the normal development of a child. It should be away from even young juniors in the profession, because if they don't apply their own mind, there is no way by which they can develop in this profession, because the that development that happens in this profession is slowly over a period of time, by reading several types of briefs, by getting insight of how different facets of the same jurisprudence can be seen in different factual scenarios. And the junior will not be benefited if he doesn't, or he or she doesn't see the actual file rather than depend on AI. So I think AI is definitely going to stay, but we have to be very careful on how it should be utilized, and how much it should be utilized, and by whom it should be utilized, and for what purpose. I think that's something which all of us will have to think of in the days to come.